definitely doesn't grow on trees, and it takes a lot of work to be able to build a business. And for some of us who have also looked at real world utility in regards to cryptocurrency, that's how you should really be approaching it. Because buying into these fad coins, as much as I'd try not to fight the fad, man, it seems like every day the crypto space just keeps going lower and lower. And, once again, I bring that up mainly because I just want to remind you guys to just make sure that you're doing your daily practices and, you're getting out there to go for your workouts, and you're finding practices that you can do in order to be able to make sure that you're mentally strong, feeling physically well, basically. You shouldn't be giving up on StepN or giving up on your exercise, I should say, even though GST has taken a huge toll for anybody that, is into StepN anyway. I definitely invite you to just keep on going. We got into this investment. We all thought that we were going to do really well. Some of us did, some of us didn't. And ultimately, in my personal opinion, this is not financial advice, but in my personal opinion, if you are in a loss, best not to sell those sneakers on a loss. At this point, you might as well just keep going out for your workouts and keep earning that GST. Because ultimately with that GST, you're still going to be able to level up your sneaker. And I know that today, around 8 o'clock my time, they're coming out with a new update. And that could be anything from the GMT being implemented and needing a level 30 shoe to the minting scrolls coming out. So really important that we just keep staying positive. We keep working out, keep exercising, keep doing that breath work, keep doing that meditation, whatever it is that you might practice. And just remember that we are in a bear market, and that it's kind of like the crypto winter. We've got an entire year until we start seeing people start purchasing Bitcoin for the halving. And until then, I just think that we're going to be seeing a lot of ups and downs, preferably, or most likely, downs. And, what can I say about that? There's no way in my mind that we are not adopting crypto. All around the world, we're seeing places like Africa come out with the sand dollar. We're seeing China come out with the digital yuan. There's just no way in my mind that we're not going to be creating interoperability in between all of these cryptocurrencies. It just makes sense, It's a technology that you can't just turn off. It's out there now. And the more that people adopt it, the more that people get used to it, the more people will use it. For example, the government could make it illegal. Sure, they could. They could totally shut down cryptocurrencies on the exchanges. But nothing's stopping anybody from using a Tor website and hosting exchanges there. It's like, how are they going to stop this? They're going to have to shut off the internet. So that's obviously not going to happen. Unless they come out with some new quantum internet or something that everybody connects to. But even then, ultimately, what people need to understand is that crypto is here to stay, and that regulatory clarity is coming, and that cryptocurrencies that fall within that regulatory clarity are going to be here to stay. So just stay positive. Don't have weekends get shooken out of the market if you're invested into real world utility. Remember why you invested it and why you hold. Maybe continue to take this time to educate yourself. Yeah, man, just remember what you hold, guys. Don't get shook. This market goes up, this market goes down. And if you look over the last 10 or 12 years, it's only ever gone up. As long as you invest in real world utility and cryptos that are changing the world, you'll be fine. And anyway, stay positive, keep going, and I'll see you guys in the next video.